So my chapter relates to the title of this book, Transforming Understandings of Diversity in Higher Education, by offering some updated frameworks and approaches and tools for examining students of color experiences on college campuses, so racial diversity on college campuses. I have always had a deep interest in the notion of space. And whether it's a color in a room or the lighting or how interactions change when people are sitting next to each other and talking as opposed to across from each other. And so in this chapter, I basically am making the case for why it would be useful to use a lens and a language of space in order to understand and address issues of diversity on college campuses, particularly racial diversity. I provide several examples in the chapter, and one of them focuses on Beverly and a bathroom that was in her residence hall as a way of talking about how spaces can be contested. I talk about an example called sticky rice, and it's actually a way of talking about how the same space, and in this particular instance, it was a basketball court on Friday nights, can be meanings of that space and the use of that space change by day, time, and who's in that space. I think of this work as promoting what I'm calling a spatiality of diversity, which essentially speaks to what space can reveal and how space can be changed. Because space is a social construction and the social is also spatially constructed, space can be changed and therefore the social can be changed. So we can think about how can space be changed in order to facilitate and promote diversity on our college campuses.